guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your JPG file to a PDF file on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then you should scroll down till you find the PDF tools section and click on JPG to PDF. Tap on choose file in the middle of the screen and select a JPG file from your documents. Tap on upload, and here you can find your PDF file. Tap on convert, and here it is. Click on download, and here is your PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.